Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm going to discuss a stock which I love to talk about and I hope you will love it too. Without further ado, let's start the video. Editas Medicine, ticker symbol EDIT, currently near 65 but few days back it was just $40. Genomics data related to pediatric blindness coming in September and I'm pretty sure it can jump up to $90. But be careful while buying the stock. Before buying, do meditation and think about it a lot. It was in just 30 to 35 line for many months and then stock jumped to all-time high to $90 and again $200 within 4 weeks, stayed at 55 to 60 levels for a time and then fell again. Stock peaked twice but then fell again to old levels of 30-35 in May to June 2021. At start of July, again stock price surged to 60 level but didn't survive on that price point. This stock is trying to be bullish, which seems to me a bullish try, but see what's happened. And by this number, this time the stock should be able to break 70 to 75 level to target 90. It will be a failure and may lead to 30 to 40 levels. Before going further, please subscribe to my channel and you will be richer than yourself. Jokes aside, let's start the video. First of all, let's discuss what is the main reason it seems to be very bullish to me. The company is mainly focusing on developing medicine for diseases such as sickle cell disease, beta thalassemia, Leber congenital amaurosis 10 aka LCA10, Usher syndrome, and medicine for certain type of cancers. As per the many news, the company has been getting success in the clinical and preclinical programs along with further improving its gene editing platform. The drug EDIT 101 presents good results in clinical safety data and Independent Data Monitoring Committee (IDMC) has given the company green signal to enroll the first pediatric cohort along with enrollment of patients in high dose cohort. The approvals of IDMC is really big achievement in company means. What I and Kathy Wood excited about is the company is all set to present initial clinical data for EDIT 101 related to pediatric blindness. Listen to Kathy Wood's excitement about pediatric blindness treatment.
I'll wait to see what happens. Well, that'll be too late if these human trials are successful. One of the first one being pediatric blindness. A baby born blind, you correct that programming error, the baby can see, it works in mice, it works in non-human primates. If it works in human beings, think about what the reaction will be. Well, we'd prefer to be in the stocks before that reaction.
Another thing which makes me feel like it will help the company grow is that EDIT 301, the company expected to cure sickle cell, the company has been able to get the clinical trial application approved from Health Canada to start the Ruby trials. The preclinical data of EDIT 301 presented at the Europe Hematology Association Congress (EHA) provided positive results, and owing to these results, the company is going to file NDA by the end of this year. According to Q2 earnings report, which is provided by the company has $698.1 million in terms of cash equivalents, and securities, by which, according to the company, is enough to finance its operating expenses till 2023. Editas is a preclinical stage biopharmaceutical company. Moderna, which is also a pharmaceutical and biotech giant, gets attracted to each other. Not that kind of attraction. Moderna management announced that the company is going to enter the field of gene editing. Not signs of specific company, but it has made clear that it would be preclinical stage company. I'm pretty sure that it will be Editas. The company has a market cap of $4.4 billion and cash of $610 million. The genome industry is on high because government is funding, and it is anticipated that the global genome editing market in future will be valued around $7.8 billion by the year 2024 by the CAGR of 14%. And this shows the company potential. And this is all in this video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.